welcome back. Today, as you can see, Barbie has another new bag. Barbie cannot have enough bags, can she? So this one's a vinyl bag and I'm going to show you how to make it. So follow along. We're going to start by making a template on some paper. And this was a 1.5 inch wide bag by 2 inches high. As you can see, this is the template I made. 3 small sections and 2 large to the side. We cut it out and we used a Sharpie to draw around it on the vinyl. It's easier to cut out then, and you can just wipe the Sharpie off. So cut that out, and there we go, voila, lovely, lovely. Our little vinyl template is ready to put together. I would suggest scoring the lines so it bends into the shape you want it to. Then I actually found washi tape. This is a 1 centimetre wide when I cut my sides off of it. As you can see, those pink bits I didn't want. I cut them off and then it's a 1 centimetre wide tape. And then literally I just lined up the sides of the bag together and I ran the tape equally around the side and just wrapped it round. So that's one side, and then literally I just held the bag together and just folded it over to catch the other side. See, keep it as close as you can. Push over the tape. There we go. I found weirdly washi tape really held well and didn't have any marks of glue trying to stick the bag together. And I did all the 4 corners, sides with the tape. And it really held well, really handy. So for the handles, we use a 3mm thick ribbon for this. Again, any ribbon, any width you like. I just use a little hole punch. I marked equal measurements either side of the bag so they lined up perfectly, and I just made a little hole with my hole punch. So I did 2 on one side and 2 on the other, and then I got my ribbon and I decided to go for 4 inches long. Attached it at the end, so there you go, make a little loop so it can't go anywhere. So I just put a little bit of glue so it would stay put when we go for the grommets. I chose grommets because it held the ribbon in place and it made it look really tidy and nice. So I put my grommet, I put the front obviously showing outwards, and then the little round ring at the back. I have a wonderful tool. This is from We Are Memory Keepers. It's brilliant. Squishes it in place and it's nice and tidy. So I did that, a grommet on every single hole I did. So that's 2 on one side, 2 on the other. I used the gold grommets. Again, use whatever colour matches your bag. When they're in place, I did just go around the back inside and I just cut the ribbon so you couldn't see. I'll show you that. But this bit I found, I wanted to fill in the grommet. So I used a little embellishment. Again, anything you can think of you can use. But I used a little half resin gold beads, so they've got flat backs, so they just sat right inside it. I put a little bit of glue in, stuck it in, and then as you can see, really cute. I did use a little bit of vinyl inside so the glue didn't seep through when I put it on the grommet. I found a little black bow embellishment to stick in the front centre of the bag. I did use a B7000 craft glue. It's really, really good because it's got a precision needle point to apply it, so it's really precise. As you can see, it looks really sweet and cute. I hope you enjoy making it. Have fun, guys, and see you soon. Bye!